Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be a mukbang. Today I am trying some food. Let me see. Right now I'm reporting the Dasher because they left off the Mango Lassi. And it's crazy because the person that I saw this meal, they left off her Mango Lassi too. But we got butter chicken, rice, garlic. It's some kind of bread. Samosa, I guess it's vegetable samosa. So I'm going to get ready to try this. But I'm not going to be dipping nothing in nothing. I'm going to get a spoon and eat it because I just don't want to be messy.
Well, they were caught. What do you expect?
Now I'm over here writing them because my drink was missing. Alright. Let me ask for a live agent. Sorry, y'all. They always get my order. You spend so much money with DoorDash and they be getting your order so wrong. And that just make me upset because you be wanting your food. One time they delivered mine to somebody else's door. You don't do that to people. Okay, this look a little different. What is that? Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. Oh, this garlic. Okay, let me not. Alright, so that's that. This is some rice. This is the buttered chicken. You gonna come eat some too? That's the buttered chicken. It look like a soup, but it smells good. And this is a vegetable. I'm gonna eat one, and you gonna eat one. I'm just gonna have a little bite. So let me flip this around, y'all. Alright, and yes, I do have a mask on because I just got done doing hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste this with y'all because I'm a little nervous, okay? Okay, let me pray first. Amen. All right, let me get a little fork, y'all. I ain't gonna. All right, let's taste this. I'm so nervous because I never had Indian food. This is some thick chicken. Let me see, y'all. This is so good. This is good. It got like this wholesome taste to it. Look, y'all, I'm just taking this, dipping it in the rice. This is good. It's like a soup. And I heard her say that her rice wasn't they gonna send my Mango Lassi, y'all. So I'm so sorry that it wasn't here for me to do it in this video. But now I'm about to eat some of the bread too. I can eat this because it's like a fluffy, not a fluffy taste, but like, that might not even make sense, but I know what I'm trying to say. It's like a wholesome light taste, I guess I should have said. But you could just dip it. Yeah, that's good. Now let's try the bread. I don't even smell my food, but I did that time. Maybe I can dip this over in there, huh? Okay, that's different. That's different, okay? Okay, y'all, let me give y'all my full attention because I had to go through all of that because sometimes you don't just want your little credit back. You want what you ordered. So I went ahead here and they're going to bring me the Mango Lassi. So when that comes, I'll taste that too and let y'all see just how it tastes, okay? And I ordered her exact same order because I want to see what it was about, y'all. Oh, we supposed to been going over there. Now they finna close. Doggone it. I wanted to surprise the kids with something. But they right there, so I can't really say what I wanted to do. That's why I keep looking. Cause they in them tablets, and when they in them tablets, can't get their attention for nothing. So I'm gonna get a little bit of chicken. And I'm about to roll this together to see how it tastes, okay? Alright. Let's see.
Okay, so that other one was my favorite. Next one.
On a scale, I need to start eating more stuff like this because it's very good. It's just different for me because I've never had Indian food. Now this kind of reminds me of a pot sticker. And it smells good.
It's sweet.
This smells good.
It's sweet.
I don't know about the taste. It got peas in it. That's pretty good. Got a little spice to it. Alright, y'all. So I will rate this on a scale to 1 to 10. I will rate this an 8. Yep, and it's my first time. So I think I could eat more like this. It's light, it's healthy. They gave 3 of these. Hit your hand in you. You gotta be careful, my boy. So I'm gonna eat just a little bit more. And I'm gonna call it a day. At least on the film. I'm about to go enjoy this. That's what I'm about to do. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna have to. I like to cut mine up so I can fit it on the spoon.
Mom, you're supposed to use it with your hands.
Yeah, how you know? My baby said I'm supposed to eat it with my hand. And that's how I saw her eating it, with her hand.
Yeah.
You want some?
Nah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
You fine? Okay.
Yeah, I like eating candy.
But that was the wrong thing to say on this live, okay?
I even eat some Airheads. I know
bet.
because Airheads is your favorite candy.
Well, I like gummy bears. That's my favorite.
I'll trade you an Airhead.
I can't chop this chicken down, y'all, so.
Oh, hi, Mom. I'll trade you with my Airheads.
With this?
I'll trade you with my Airheads.
With this?
Yeah, nah.
Alright, y'all.
Mom, can I watch you eat? Mom, can I watch you eat?
I'll be back when my Mango Lassi get here. Just
Hey,
to
Mom.
see. I'm looking at that
Hey,
bag.
Mom.
Just to see how it tastes. Because they said it is good.
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
Can I watch you eat?
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, you gonna be back? No.
Huh?
Don't say ew when somebody, I'm sorry, y'all.
Because it's, Mom, to use it with your hand, I said.
Alright,
You
y'all.
can't use it with your fork.
I'm touching.
Hun, 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 hun.